Hey guys, good morning guys. You know what time is it guys?
It's night time.
5:50 guys.
It's
And
night time, not morning.
it's morning but it's still dark because we wake up so early guys. Natulog kasi siya kahapon guys, mga alas 4:30 ng hapon. Alam mo, continuous na yun guys. Hanggang umaga. Say hi to them natin. So, kasi nagising siya, sabi niya gutom na siya. Kasi hindi siya kumain ng, diretso yung tulog niya guys. Ginising ko siya kagabi, ayaw talaga niyang gumising. So, ayan, nagising siya mga alas 4:30, tapos at 5 o'clock, sabi niya gutom na siya. Kaya ito, ang aga, narinig pa guys, ang aga nang gumising kasi nagutuan ko siya. Kasi nagutom yung batang makulit. Ayan. Sabi na. So, kumakain siya guys. Samahan niyo si Katerina habang kumakain. She's eating her breakfast so early guys because she's hungry. You know. Baby is hungry.
Mom, I can eat by myself. I have a spoon right here.
She can eat by herself. Samahan niyo siya guys. Kasi may school siya mamaya guys, mga 9 o'clock, ngayon 5 pa lang. Ang aga niyang nagising guys, kasi nga maagang natulog kahapon, alas 4:30 pa, tapos ayaw niya talagang gumising, walang matunan guys. Ayan, nakapag na gumising kasi naguto ko siya. Talk to your viewers because I'm gonna make my coffee.
Okay, Mom.
I'm gonna tell them what you're eating.
Oh. And this is milk. And I have chicken.
Fried chicken.
And this food right here. I'm very eating in my mouth.
Drinking milk, guys. That's good for her.
But the dentist told me, look at the cavities on my clean teeth.
Yeah, the milk. Oh, you just need to brush your teeth.
But you remember, if you drink milk on your clean teeth, it will turn so dirty and green. Good morning, Daddy. I'm gonna buy this back to your school. Okay, guys, I love you. And I love Bob. Okay, my chicken.
And Daddy, guys, is going to work.
He's going to the school. I guess the students are going down.
Actually, guys, she lost the remote for the TV.
Now I want
That's why
to.
Daddy was looking for it, guys.
Now I'm just like, why did you
Trying to find the remote.
I'm not smart? I just don't know where it is. I just want to be so smart.
Your food. this usually you get school.
And the dog.
Guys, I'm drinking my coffee. Guys, Mommy, we have a coffee. And baby cat is eating her food. Usually guys, hindi ko talaga sinasanay ito si Catherine na kumain ng mga cereal sa umaga or mga katulad ng mga American na kid dito guys na cereal lang yung kinakain or mga hot cake. Nasanay ito siya sa ano guys, yung real breakfast talaga katulad natin ng Filipino rice, egg, yung mga ganun po guys. Ikagabi guys, naghapunan kami, nagluto ako ng chicken tenders pa, nag-fried ako. Tulog na siya, kaya tinirhan ko siya ng chicken para sa kanya. Hindi talaga siya nagising guys. Tinry ko siyang gisingin. Ayaw talaga, tulog na tulog. Kaya tinira ko na lang. So ngayon, ininit ko yung chicken na inano ko sa kanya. Tapos nilutuan ko siya ng, ng scrambled egg. Yun. Real talaga to breakfast in the morning. Kasi ayoko siyang kumain ng mga cereal sa umaga. Malamig kasi yung milk na nilalagay guys. Ayoko siyang kumain ng mga ganun. Pinapakain ko lang sa kanya yung mga cereal ngayon pag gusto niyang mag-snack-snack o gusto niyang kumain pag mga tapos na siya kumain ng warm ba. Kasi nasanay siya breastfeed kasi ako dito. Nasanay siya na kumakain ng warm in the morning. Kaya nga yung milk niya, mina-warm up ko muna ito bago ko binigay sa kanya. Hindi yung malamig talaga guys. Kasi ayoko siyang yung siya na sanay talaga ito siya na one napakain ko sa umaga. Kasi Pilipina si Mommy, hindi American. Pag mga American kasi nasanay sila. Mga anak nila, pinapakain na ng cereal, nilagyan ng milk, ang lamig. Diba? Nagutom si baby cat guys. Ginising ako ng maagang-maaga. Sabi niya, Mommy, my tummy's rumbling. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry, Mommy.
Is it the picture game full?
Huh? No, it's not. Your taking picture for Christmas is on 19th, so Tuesday, next week. So you need to wear your Christmas whole dress. Nice.
And I made it with my Christmas hat too.
Yeah.
We're gonna take pictures.
Yes.
The reindeer ones. The ones with the coins and bells.
Hala, kailan pala yung
It definitely is
ready na siya.
Ah!
Ready na siya sa Christmas, guys.
Mom,
kami ng gift
I think you just put it in the wrong direction.
Hindi napaka-cute ng bibi namin. May ubo pa pala to guys. Ayan guys, ganyan lang yan siya guys. Mabait tong baby namin guys kasi paggising niya, nagtatanong kaagad to, is it my school day, Mommy? And if I say yes, and she's gonna really wake up. I don't need to wake her up. She's the one wake up in the morning. Kasi maaga siyang natutulog paggabi, so siya lang yung minsan kinigising na niya ako guys, kaya tulog pa ako. Hindi mo na ito kailangan gising. Good girl ito guys, kasi gusto niya pumunta sa school. She likes to go to school guys. Do you? Love going to school?
Yeah, and I always remember when we up, I dream every day.
Yes, she loves to go to school. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
And Mom is drinking coffee.
Put the letter A on the cup.
This
letter A for cup.
Dina A. Is A for my name. Abaldi.
Your name is mine.
Ayan, inaw. Swallow na. Kahit na inaantok pa ako guys kasi late na ako natulog kagabi eh. Alam mo naman. Tapos late na ako natulog. Tapos naantok ako. 4:30. Gising na siya. Pumunta na siya sa kwarto namin. Kasi siya lang natutulog sa kwarto niya, guys. Tapos pag nagising yan siya, tapos tulog pa kami, pumupunta yan siya sa kwarto namin. Doon yan siya umihiga din. Eh, akala ko matulog pa siya. Gutom na raw siya. Kaya yun, nagluto niya. Alas 5 pa talaga, guys. Kailangan ko nang gumangon at lutuan itong makulit na ba? C for cup. Yes. A for
apple.
Apple. Good job. B for
Ball.
Ball. See? Good job. C for
Cat.
cat. Good job. E for what is A?
I don't know.
Egg.
Egg.
Elephant. What guys? What else? I'm trying to think about another word for letter E. Egg. 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 Elephant. Alam, hindi ko maisip ko yun. So, okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. What? No, it's not broom. Fish. Sound. Fish.
No, snake sounds like
S sound. S. Snake. Okay. Yan, guys. So, I think, guys, hanggang dito lang kami, guys. We're gonna say bye-bye to all of you. We'll see you next on our live. Next time on our video. Bye-bye. Please subscribe and like our video. Bye.